So today we're reviewing IcyBox, a mystery watch platform where users pay to open digital boxes for a chance to win luxury watches. The company showcases premium brands like Rolex, Cartier, and Patek Philippe, making the prizes look extremely appealing. However, after looking through App Store reviews and Reddit discussions, many customers have raised serious concerns about their experiences. Before spending your money, here are 5 negative review points you should know. The first complaint is that many users say they lost far more than they won. Several reviewers reported spending anywhere from $100 to $500 opening multiple boxes, but repeatedly receiving inexpensive watches worth only $20 to $80. One user said they spent $100 and ended up with a $20 watch, while another claimed they spent $500 but only received watches worth around $140 and $200. Many reviewers concluded they would have been much better off simply buying the watch they actually wanted, instead of gambling on mystery boxes. The second complaint is that the advertised luxury watches appear extremely difficult to win. Several Reddit users said the app heavily promotes Rolex, Cartier, Patek Philippe, and other expensive watches, but most winners reported receiving entry-level Casio, Timex, Swatch, or Seiko models instead. Even users who landed the rare Grail category often received watches worth only a few $100s rather than the premium models featured in the advertisements. Some also criticized the company for not showing the exact odds of winning specific luxury watches. Another common complaint is the buyback system. One App Store reviewer bought a $50 box, won a watch valued at $55, but was only offered $49 when selling it back. Another user deposited $30, received a $20 Casio, and after withdrawal fees could cash out only $16. Several reviewers felt the resale values, withdrawal fees, and shipping costs made their losses even worse after opening the boxes. Many users also reported payment and technical problems. Several Reddit users said their payment methods were suddenly blocked, even though their banks confirmed there was no issue with their cards. Others said deposits failed without explanation, preventing them from purchasing additional boxes or using money already in their accounts. These unexpected technical issues left several customers questioning the reliability of the platform. Finally, some customers reported receiving damaged or questionable watches. One Reddit user claimed the watch they received arrived with deep scratches on the bezel, looked and felt fake, and was completely unusable. The same user also said customer support failed to respond promptly and warned others to avoid the platform if the issue wasn't resolved. Although this represents an individual experience, it remains one of the strongest product quality complaints shared by users. So the bottom line is this: IcyBox may be a legitimate platform, but many user reviews raise concerns about disappointing prizes, difficult odds, poor resale values, payment issues, and occasional product quality problems. If you're thinking about trying it, it's important to understand that many customers reported experiences that didn't match the expectations created by the company's advertising.